What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I just wanted to make a quick update today on the cheapest crypto miner of 2022. If you guys are ready and you guys are interested in this, then stick with me, smash the like button, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to continue to bring you guys value every single day. Alright guys, now the cheapest crypto miner of 2022 is currently running for a price of $249, currently returning $3.49 at 576 blocks per day with a current ROI of 71 days. I know that doesn't seem all that great, but this thing has a lot of potential to grow. Now, all you'll need to be able to access your funds is an Algorand wallet. The moment that you come on here and process your order, guys, this miner is going to activate digitally and it will start producing income for you every single day. You do not have to get this thing in the mail in order to start making money off of it. Right now the standard rate is 576 blocks a day. This is what my friends are getting on the blocks that they already have in the mail. I am still waiting for my first block to arrive in the mail. It says right here shipping begins March to April. For some reason it says 3 to 5 business days, so perhaps you can get yours earlier, because my friend actually got his within like 5 or 6 days. So I don't know if this is just like a disclaimer, like this is to cover them if they decide they can't get them out there fast enough, but perhaps they will get them out there faster and we will get ours sooner than we are thinking that we will get ours. Every block comes with its own power. You can come in here at the Block Explorer and view all of the power. Obviously Bitcoin is the most powerful blockchain to have, Ethereum is the next one, Cardano is the one after that, and then they will go on so on and so forth after that. The first editions are the most powerful, second editions after that, and they go on so on and so forth. As you guys can see, we are late to the party. I made a video about this about a week ago, but we're late to the party now. We are getting batch 3 of unlimited, so this is like the 5 out of 5 batch. This may be, and I'm not sure guys, but this may be the last batch that they are selling, and there was only 1,000 in this batch, and I know of subscribers of mine who are thinking about getting a lot of these, because if you invested, I don't know, $5,000 in this, you guys would get 20 of these bad boys. 20 of these bad boys yielding $3.50 a day is 70 bucks a day every single day. And I mean, a lot of you guys have $5 just sitting in the bank that you're not doing anything with. I'm not saying this is a good use for it to go buy a bunch of cubes and have 20 cubes sitting in your house, but I mean, like one guy said he would buy over 100 of these cubes. And mind you guys, it's a digital miner online. The physical cube is not the actual miner. The physical cube is just a nightlight, so you are not required to keep this thing plugged in for it to work. You're not required to have it. You can, a matter of fact, and this is not recommended, I did not say this, but perhaps you could even sell yours on eBay after you get it in the mail, and just keep your activation card, keep your wallet, and you'll have yours forever. You'll make your money off yours, and you can just sell the nightlight feature of it for a fraction of the price, get some of your money back. Just make sure to be transparent with people that you're not actually selling them a miner, because that is bad business to sell them something fake on the internet. And I also would like to add, I do not recommend that any of you guys buy one on eBay, because the activation card probably will be taken out. They will have access to the funds. You will only get the nightlight feature, and you'll probably be paying miner price for a nightlight. So you guys do not want to do that. The best thing to do is just get in here as soon as possible and get one. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not spend money that you don't have, but this is a very cheap crypto miner. You could come on here and you could order 25,000 of these guys, and you'll get 100 of them, and you'll make $350 a day off these cubes that you'll have in your apartment. Now mind you, these are current prices. The prices were higher before, the prices were lower before, the prices could go a lot higher when the game actually releases. It's the new year. We finally got blocks unlimited out, and they're almost sold out already. You could acquire yourself a block to get started with this. The moment that you buy it, it starts making money. The moment that you get it, you can plug it in and use it as a nightlight. Once it's fully charged, it has 8 hours of battery, but they say you should just leave it plugged in. Now, for longevity of device, I like that they changed this, because this used to say for best performance, and that was kind of leading people astray to think that you had to leave it in order to make the money. For longevity of device, see, now they fixed that to be more transparent. Now, when you do get your block, you will get your access key. So you cannot access your wallet until you get the package in the mail. Please be advised of this, guys. You need to know that you won't be able to access any of this yet until it comes in the mail, and it may not come in the mail until March or April. One thing I can't note though, guys, is I added up right here. The 576 blocks is $3.49. Is that $249 divided by that 350 again, dividing that 71-day ROI. So chances are you will have enough tokens in your wallet accumulated by the time that this thing comes in the mail that you will have all of your money back. Your entire investment will be back, and all you'll have to do is sell your tokens over here on TinyMan. Now, TinyMan is having an issue right now, as you guys can see, but we don't have to worry about that, because I imagine this issue will be fixed within time by the time you guys get this, and or the blocks token will be available on more exchanges, so you guys won't even have to come on TinyMan at all. But right now, TinyMan is where you would go to sell your blocks for Algorand, and then you can transfer your Algorand out and transfer that into an exchange to be able to trade it for USDT or US dollar, and then get it into your bank account. So this is how you guys would get paid with this bad boy. Not financial advice. These are going to sell out fast, and I don't know that they're going to make any more, so this is very limited supply, and I think that once these sell out, the price of these blocks are going to go up, because people are gonna start to realize, oh my goodness, there's actually some scarcity in this project. Then the people who are holding the block tokens are gonna stop selling their block tokens. They're gonna hold their block tokens, especially if they release that you'll need block tokens to participate in things for the game. They'll hold the tokens, they'll stack the tokens, and the price of the tokens will increase with the scarcity, and we will have a better price to be able to sell our tokens. So this actual $3.50 a day is just a rough estimate based on the current price. That's not a set limit. You know, this could be $5 a day, this could be $10 a day, this could be $20 a day, and it doesn't actually matter until you go and sell. When you sell, whatever price you sell for is the price of however many dollars you made per day off of this investment. So not financial advice, but I would come on here and check this out, guys. The white paper's right here. It's a nice, beautiful read. I liked it. It's really cool. They've got they break down all the teams. Now, for every 16 blocks in a team, you guys are going to need to stake a block. So if you bought 2 blocks, stake one of your blocks, and then get all your friends together and make a team. Now, I'm going to get more blocks, and I'm going to make my own team. So if you guys got into this project, please get at me, comment, private message me, whatever you got to do. I would love to have you guys on my team if you're planning on playing the game. It would be really cool if we formed a nice little team here and we can hodl, and maybe these rewards can grow. It's looking to me like basically this $4 a day that we're getting is solo rewards for the block competing on its own. When we're actually competing in a team with the block, those rewards will be higher, so we'll realistically be making more money in the future. So this is definitely a future play. There's definitely some room to grow with this thing. I think it's really cool that they call it a proof of enjoyment project. It is really cool. Come on in, check it out, guys. See what you want with this thing. Like I said, you definitely don't need to leave this thing plugged in. You're basically just buying a miner that starts mining immediately for $249 with your bank account via Google Pay. That's all for me, guys. Smash a like on the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.